How to withdraw Polygon into your Trust wallet. Withdrawing Polygon from a crypto exchange into your Trust wallet is just as easy as a process as buying MATIC tokens using Trust wallet. Here we will be using Binance as our crypto exchange of choice to detail the step-by-step process of how you can withdraw Polygon into your Trust wallet from Binance. First of all, go to your Trust wallet app and then click on MATIC. Then click on Receive. Trust wallet will redirect you to the page with the QR code. Once you are in this page, click on Deposit for Exchange at the bottom. For the deposit, you need to select Binance. It will land you on this page. You will have to enter some of the informations. First of all, you will have to select the coin and set it to MATIC. After that, enter the address and then select the network. For the network, you need to set it to Polygon. And then choose your address origin. Set it to Trust wallet. And then in the section of wallet label, once again set it to MATIC. Click on Save once you are done. Now what you want to do is enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Once you have entered, click on Confirm. And then the Polygon will be withdrawn to your Trust wallet account. Then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can withdraw Polygon into your Trust wallet account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.